Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to list AirPods on Vinted step by step. I'll be using the mobile app, but the web version works the same way. First, tap the Sell button. You'll find it in the bottom navigation bar on the app, or top right corner on the website. The listing form will open with the photo upload area at the top. Tap the photo upload section and add your photos. Vinted allows up to 20 photos per listing, so show your AirPods from multiple angles: front, back, close-ups of the model number or serial if visible, and any signs of wear. If you're including the charging case or cable, photograph those too. Now scroll down and type a title in the title field. Keep it descriptive. For example, Apple AirPods Pro 2nd Generation White, or Apple AirPods 3 with charging case. Below that, fill in the description box. Mention the model, condition, what's included, battery health if you know it, and any flaws or damage. Vinted buyers want the full picture, so be thorough here. Next, tap the category selection menu. You'll work through subcategories in order. Select electronics, then audio, headphones and hi-fi, then headphones and earbuds, and finally Apple headphones and earbuds. In the brand field, type or select Apple. Now set the condition from the drop-down. Options include new with tags, very good, good, and so on. Pick the one that matches your AirPods' actual condition. If there are flaws, make sure you mention them in the description and showed them in your photos. Select the color, usually white for AirPods, but choose whatever applies. Fill in any additional detail fields that appear, like whether you're including the original box or accessories. If you're not including something that normally comes with AirPods, like the charging cable, say so clearly in the description. Scroll to the pricing section and enter your asking price. Do a quick search on Vinted to see what similar AirPods are selling for, then price yours within 10 to 15% of that average. Select your parcel size from the drop-down. AirPods typically fit in a small parcel. Finally, tap the Upload button at the bottom of the form. Your listing will go through a quick automated check. Usually takes under a minute, but occasionally up to 3 or 4 days. Once it's live, keep an eye on your messages. Buyers may have questions, and quick responses help close sales. When someone buys your AirPods, Vinted generates a prepaid shipping label for you to print and attach to your parcel. One thing to note, sellers pay no fees on Vinted. The buyer covers the service fee and shipping, so your asking price is what you'll receive. And there we go. Listing AirPods on Vinted done. Thanks for watching. See you next time.